Tell us what we're doing, Dee, quick. We don't have much film left.
We're breaking a thing off of here so the console fits over the shifter. That's all.
We're working on this damn interior.
Yep.
And we're having trouble because Leo putting this
Thinking crooked.
console jigger-mabish. So that's the inside complete with rats. Bye.
Nice. Bye.
Don't have much tape left. Or battery. Yes, we got it on.
Did you stick
The seats are quick. Put the seat back. There's not much film left.
Well, wait. Turn it off.
No. There they are. How they look. Your CD player in there is working. Got the cigarette lighter working.
Light in the console.
And light in the console, everything. Okay, Day. Show us quick. Running out of tape.
Car. Done. Looks nice. Move out. Go ahead. Go look.